Hi guys, my name is Derek Miller. I'm the beauty director here at Nordstrom. Welcome to our trend show. We're learning about all the hottest trends today. Berry lips, beautiful gold skin, Cosmos eyes, and all of your gifting needs. Hope you have fun. Are y'all seeing kind of those 70s inspirations here? All right, so let's break it down here. So first, you're seeing some of these traditional 70s inspired patterns and textures. So the plaids and the scarf prints. Y'all know what scarf print is there? So you're seeing the scarf print. I'm loving this. So you're seeing a lot of really cool things up there. First of all, it is not just accessory, it is the look, head to toe here. You're seeing it in dresses and separates all over the place. And just like in the first scene, we're mixing up the patterns. Now again, I'm sure you've seen this go a little crazy. But if we look at Irina right here, she has on 3 different animal prints. The shoes, the dress, and the handbag, all different, but again, they work together because it's in that same color family, right? You're seeing that also here, 2 very different animal prints here with the dress and the jacket, but it works. Now in this scene also you're seeing really bold, overstated sunglasses, that really kind of 70s inspired, big, bold sunglasses there. Also, I love the way that we've kind of made these kind of all different silhouettes too, so you can wear this dressy or casual, all different things. Again, that pop of that unexpected layering, so Irina also there. Toe. It's got this beautiful opulence. Now here's what I love here. So, you know, we always do this sparkly this time of year, but a couple of fun things here. You're seeing these beautiful, glamorous look in some non-traditional silhouettes, would you say? Yeah. It's not just your typical cocktail skirt here. We have everything from separate to, yes, those are sequin biker shorts right there, to the pants. Oh, this is just, yes, Jan, you look amazing. And here's the other thing. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Because you go to these parties, you want to have fun and move, you want to be like this, right? Everything they're wearing up there is stretch. What? That's when people ask me what size I am. I say size stretch. So everything is comfortable, it's easy to wear, it's fun, it's glamorous. You're seeing here in the bags too, these kind of fun, glamorous bags, but they're in non-traditional, like clutch evening bags. They're fun new sizes here with things. Glitter and sparkle in the shoes. Do you love it? Yeah. It's glamorous. Oh, another fun thing. This is the coolest trick. If you want to dress up your outfit just a tinge, you can do a fun glitter sparkle headband there. So just a fun way to add a little something there. All right, models, you look how I hope we're going partying after this, yes? All right, y'all give it up one more time for our beautiful models. Thank you, ladies.